Horizontal carbonization furnace connected to smoke removal and condenser. These two are condensers used to condense water and wood vinegar and combustible gases. Combustible gas first passes through spray equipment to reduce smoke and dust. Water inlet of sprinkler equipment. This is the smoke exhaust port. It is controlled by a valve to discharge directly or through the flue gas treatment equipment. After the combustible gas passes through the water spray equipment to remove smoke and dust, it enters the condensation equipment to remove excess moisture and wood vinegar, and finally enters the carbonization furnace combustion chamber through this pipe to participate in combustion.